ditthi, in my understanding, is opinion. Is that right?
Ditthi is wrong view.
Wrong
So
view.
samaditthi. Ditthi actually means understanding. So sama means right. So samaditthi is right understanding. And
Okay.
miccha is wrong. Miccha ditthi is wrong understanding. And if ditthi is used on its own, then it's referring to miccha ditthi, wrong view. So when it's assumed that what is seen is a view, a person, it is ditthi at that moment. And another word that Ajahn was referring to, so we talked earlier about the anusayas, the tendencies, the latent tendencies that are carried from moment to moment, but
Yeah.
are not arising. And when they condition the arising of subtle attachment or subtle wrong view or subtle ignorance, she was using the word asava. I'll put it in the notes when I finish speaking.
Right.
So there is the subtle asava clinging to sense objects, the clinging to just being, existing, the clinging with ditthi, wrong view. Whenever there's wrong view, there is attachment. So it's the subtle clinging, but at those with wrong view, no doubt at that moment. But it can be very subtle, like even after seeing so quickly, and even in the sense door process, there can be the ditthi arising, taking it for something that is seen, even though it's only visible object, no words, but the impression, the idea of something that's seen. This
Mhm.
is ditthi already. And then the other asava is avijja, very subtle ignorance about what is true. So now, if there's no understanding, no kindness, no generosity, no attachment, no aversion, what about the ignorance? So it can be very subtle all day long, just not understanding.
Yeah.
So this was another term. I try to put a few words in the notes, but it's difficult to keep up when there are a
Yes.
lot. So
Yes.
anyway, ditthi, even now when we're listening to the truth, as we were just discussing with Liang, these are not just words in the book, but there can be understanding even now about what is seen, what is heard, taking it for a table, for Jonathan, for the computer, something there. So as soon as there's an idea of something there, not just using the words conventionally, but the impression that really there is something there, even when no words are expressed, it is ditthi arising, or someone here,
Mhm.
I, my
Mhm.
arm, my face on the screen, ditthi. So it's
Mhm.
very, that can be very, very subtle and very common.